Okay guys, so today I'm going to show you how to delete CapCut account on mobile. You have more than 4 accounts and you want to delete your one account. How do you go about it? What you need to do is click on the app. Once you click on the CapCut app, once you open the app, wait for it a little to open. It will take a few seconds to open. After that, now what you need to do is click on this, click on settings. Oh, sorry for that. Now you need to click on this your profile icon. Click on this your profile icon, then click on manage account. Once you click on manage account, click on delete account. You can see, click on delete account here. And it's going to take a few seconds to load, so let's wait for it. Let's wait for it. Now you can see, now you need to enter your password to verify, so I'm going to put in the password. After that, click on continue. Okay, sorry for that. I need to put my password. After that, click on continue. Now you can see, so when you delete your CapCut, you can see this is what you are going to do. So after you fill this form, you just click on delete account and it's going to delete after 30 days. Just you see your account is going to be deactivated for 30 days and during which will not be visible to the public, so you have to make sure you are ready to delete it, and after you are done with this, just click on delete and you have automatically delete your CapCut account. So guys, if you found this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment and subscribe.